guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am doing a get ready with me. Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do today. I'm just gonna do like makeup, hair, and then probably do like an outfit, but it probably won't be too crazy. It's probably just gonna be some sandals and a cute little like top or something, and maybe some shorts because it's too hot for jeans. I'm not doing. So get ready with me, and let's get started. Okay, so I've already did my skincare. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just do primer and stuff. Don't pay attention to my nails. I need to get them done. Yeah, birthday weekend is next weekend, but I think I'm gonna get my nails done this weekend because I'm going to be, and I'm leaving for Raleigh. I think probably Saturday or Sunday, depending on the day. Depending on when I do my hair too. So I got a lot to do between now and next week. I have a lot of filming to do next week. I'm launching something next week. Well, not next week. I'm launching something on my birthday that I am really excited about. And what else? I just have so much to actually kind of like do and prep for. I need to get my eyebrows done too. This right here is starting to annoy me. But yeah. So with primer, I'm gonna use this primer. This is the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer. And I do like it. I like her. And I like that it's a serum. And I just drop a couple on my face. This right here was red. I don't think I can use. I'm using Victoria's Secret lotion, and I don't think I can use it, which I'm kind of sad about because I really do love it, and I love the scents. But I really don't think I can use Victoria's Secret. I can't use EOS either. The first time I tried it, I used it and I didn't get an allergic reaction, but I don't know if they changed their ingredients or what. But after I got another bottle and I was getting like bumps all like right here. I was getting bumps all on my back. And I also tried a new soap too. I used this Method soap. And I don't think I feel as hydrating. I think my skin, I don't know what it is. I don't know. I gotta find stuff that actually works with my skin. I think my skin can use, unless I'm starting to have sensitive skin now. I don't know. I'm turning 30 in 2 weeks, so maybe my skin is being like, hey, maybe my body or my skin is being like, hey, you can't use certain things anymore. So I'm using my Fenty foundation. This is probably my favorite foundation. I have used this foundation nonstop for probably 4 years, maybe, probably longer than that, probably way longer than that, probably 5 or 6 years, probably since it came out, probably since then. It's my favorite foundation. I just feel like, and it's like the foundation I know my exact color to. I'm really bad at figuring out what my shade is, so I just been sticking with this for a long time. Because anytime I try to do it online, obviously it's not. I feel like anytime I get it, it comes out looking too light. Which obviously, I mean, it comes out a little too light. Which obviously, I think bronzer does help. But it's like I just want to know what my color, my shade is. I used MAC for the first time. Kind of crazy to think that was 10 years ago. Probably over 10 years ago now. Yeah, I was like 19, 20 when I started doing makeup. When I started, learning and really like learning how to do makeup, I was about 19 or 20. And now here I am, I'm about to be 30 within 2 weeks. So what I like to do, I like to just use a beauty blender to make sure everything is blended. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. I am clearly running out of it. But I love this concealer so much. It actually takes place of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer that I used to wear a lot when, definitely back in the day. Like, yeah, 10 years I used to wear Shape Tape. And then it got like $30 for one concealer. It's like, yes, the concealer is amazing and it's good, but it's like, I don't want to spend $30 on just one thing. I just kind of want to spend more. Sorry, I couldn't find my powder puff. I've been loving the caramel crunch from Starbucks, and I know it's been a thing, but my mom used to get it all the time, and I used to wonder, like, is that good? And then my go-to drink is the iced chai latte with oat milk with 2 pumps of caramel. And I was like, you know what? Let's try something different. I never really tried anything else besides that. So I tried and I tried the drink and I fell in love with it. And so I ended up getting myself a venti. And then I got the chocolate pistachio loaf. Oh my god. Oh my god. You don't taste as much as pistachio. I taste more chocolate, which is what I love because I absolutely love chocolate. But oh my god, this pistachio loaf from Starbucks. I hope they never get rid of that. Like, I tried that yesterday, and oh my god. Like, I almost want to order that again. Maybe my birthday. Because I know you get a free drink. Or I think you get a free drink, or you. I mean, I'll probably get the free drink, and I'll probably just buy the loaf. How much? I think it was like, what, $5 on DoorDash. Honestly, it filled me up most of the day. Because obviously it was a venti. And when I tell you I was geeking all day yesterday, I was just a happy little camper. Like, I don't know what it was. I mean, I'm happy in general, but I was just like, I was jamming out to music. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. This is the next bronzer. But yeah. Try the pistachio. I really hope that wasn't just a summer thing, or I hope that's not just like because it's trendy right now, or it's been trending. I hope they keep that because that is probably my favorite one. It was that one, and then the pumpkin loaf was my favorite one too. I absolutely love the um pause, like video, like end video. I absolutely love that because that's the way I don't have to. I can just pause the video and come back to it. I don't have to pause the video and then make a whole nother video. I don't have like multiple videos in my phone. I could just have one long video and that's it. I don't have to. Oh my god. I feel like that's probably the best thing Apple did was create that, because having like 20 clips of the same exact video, because I'm pausing the video and I'm coming back to it, I'm pausing the video and coming back to it. That's crazy. I'm not doing that. So I don't know. I'm feeling about makeup right now. I'm gonna trust the process. And then for powder, I am using the Fenty powder. I love her. I love Miss Rihanna down. I will be invited to a Fenty event. I feel like a lot of her events are like always in either New York or LA. I think. Yeah. Since I'm not doing too crazy with my eyeshadow today, I am gonna go back in with my bronzer and use it as eyeshadow. It's my favorite thing to do when I'm not like, I don't want to do anything too crazy with my eyeshadow. So I just go in with bronzer and use that as an eyeshadow. And then for mascara, I'm gonna go in with my this is the L'Oreal it's not flammable. Oh my god, this is the L'Oreal extensionist mascara. And I love this mascara. It was going viral last year on TikTok, and that's all I kept hearing people talk about. So I figured I was gonna use it. No, it is $15, but it's a really good mascara. I do love it. Love when I get mascara on my nose. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of concealer. And then I'm going to go in with my powder puff. And I'm gonna dab that out. Take my powder, the little bit of powder I have left on the other side. I'm just gonna go like this. And it's gone. I forgot who I learned that from. I forgot. I definitely learned that in YouTube University. And I'm sure one of the beauty girlies I used to watch taught me that. This is my problem. I'm a little too heavy-handed sometimes. Just gotta go a little lightweight on it. This is my favorite pink blush. This is the NYX Buttermelt blush. It's just so pretty and pink. I love it. Even though I said I was gonna stop using Dollar Tree products, they do have a, I think it's a LA Colors. I think it's a LA Colors blush, and it looks like a Dior dupe, and it's so pretty and it's pink, and I really do think I want to get that. I think that, I don't know, I might have to, I want to get that. That's really pretty. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetic. This is probably the only Kylie product I have. I have an eyeshadow palette. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I do not even use. I'll get in the mood where I want to do like some really fun color makeup look, and then sometimes I don't. I used to love to put setting spray, setting spray, because I felt like it would intense the highlighter a little bit more, I guess you could say. Like, it's so pretty. I like to go in, I like to put it in the corner of my eyelids. I like to put just a little bit. This is the MAC lip liner in Cork, and yeah, she's almost done. I gotta get some more. I gotta get another one. It sucks that I cannot stand when lip liner does that, but hey, go buy another one. Lip gloss. This is from, I got it from Temu, but this is the lip gloss that the Beauty Supply get, and I just like to put a little bit. This is the Maybelline Make It Last setting spray, actually. It says prime and fine. It says it's a dewy glow setting mist. I honestly did not know it was actually gonna give me a glow. I thought it was gonna be like the L'Oreal setting spray, but it's like pink, which is really pretty. But you can see, like, it gives you like a pink undertone glow, which I like it. It's really pretty. It just kind of caught me off guard because I didn't expect it to be glowy. Is the makeup look. I'm gonna go do my hair. I pretty much could shake my hair out because I did do my curls yesterday. Let's see. It doesn't look too bad. I could just shake it out, honestly. I mean, if I wanted to spray water in it, I could, but it doesn't look too bad. I might honestly just put it in a slick back or something, because my hair it's thick and it's getting longer and it's just hot. It's getting really hot on my neck now. So yeah, I'll be back with the outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm just gonna wear some cute sandals. I want to be cute today, so I'm gonna put on my denim skirt. So this is the base of the outfit. Cute. I'm gonna go in with this belt. I think I got this from either Fashion Nova or Shein. I don't have a tag on it, so I really don't quite remember. Oh my god, I have it on literally. It's twisted. So now this is the outfit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of jewelry. I really feel like I wear this necklace like I don't have anything else, but I definitely do. It's just I put in these hoops. I got these hoops from Amazon for like $4 for no, I think it was $4 or $6 for 6 pair. I got them. It was 3 silver and 3 gold, and they were in 3 different sizes. And this is like the biggest size, which I honestly like. I feel like it's perfect for my face shape. All my jewelry, and I'm gonna go in with these shoes. I got these shoes from Fashion Nova, and they're super cute. I love them. For fragrance, I got this from TJ Maxx. It was like $14, and this smells so good. This is the Vanilla Wonder. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx perfumes. They smell really good. If you like layer them, they will last. And then for a purse, I'm gonna go in with this pop of colored green, sage green purse. I got, well, really it's my mom's purse. She got it from Marshalls and she hasn't worn it. And I was really wanting a summer bag. And I think it's cute. This is a cute look. I ended up not really putting my hair up, but I might. It's still hot. But I don't know. This outfit is just really cute. Not really doing much today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. And that will definitely let me know that you enjoyed this video. And if you've made it to the end of this video, comment birthday. Comment birthday girl. Even though my birthday is in 2 weeks. I'm so excited. I'm actually announcing something and launching something on that day. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do any more Get Ready With Me.